respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today I want to talk about Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan. We celebrate his birthday on 25th December as Quaid Day. He is the best leader in our history. Quaid Azam worked very hard to make Pakistan a country where Muslims could live freely. His honesty, hard work, and strong faith helped him achieve this. Because of him, we got Pakistan on 14th August 1947. He taught us three important things: unity, faith, and discipline. If we follow these rules, we can make our country strong and successful. Let us always remember his hard work and promise to follow his teachings. Thank you, Mr. President.